Hello and assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I'm sharing the most beautiful and amazing crochet midi frog designs with you guys. These are the bestest and most stylish midi frog designs which I have been sharing with you. So do watch my video without skipping it out till end, and if you love my content, do share it with other people as well. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are. I'm in love with the collection of these beautiful midi frogs. I hope so that you guys will also be enjoying my video. Thank you so much guys for always loving and supporting my content. It really means a lot to me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos if you like my videos and content. Do share it with other people as well. I'll be bringing on this kind of amazing and outstanding content for you on a daily basis, inshallah. If you have any kind of question or query regarding this video, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. I am always there to guide you and to support you, and I'll be bringing on the best of the data content designs for you guys, inshallah. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are, and the stuff is also amazing. I'm in love with the collection of these beautiful dress designs. I hope so that you guys would also be enjoying my video. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my videos. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for my channel, do drop it down in the comment section. I'll be surely looking after them to all. Keep watching, keep supporting my videos. Thank you for loving on my content. It means a lot to me. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, go subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. I'll be working hard for you guys and will be bringing on the best of the data content for you. May love bless you all forever. Keep watching, keep supporting my videos, and keep on sending this kind of amazing love and response right towards my way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Now it's time to say goodbye to you all. I'll be soon right back with some new and amazing collection. Till then, enjoy my previous videos and keep supporting me with the same spirit. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Keep supporting. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanullah.